Good communication among design stakeholders is an essential part of any successful design process. SOLIDWORKS 2019 introduces a brand new way to communicate your design ideas by enabling you to add markups directly to parts and assemblies when using a touch device. In this example, we're going to add some notes to an exploded view of this hoist. To create a new markup, simply select Insert Markup View from the Markup folder in the Feature Manager and set your preferred pen style using the color palette and thickness slider. Now you're ready to go ahead and start writing directly on the screen of your touch device. As you write, your notes are captured together with the orientation of the markup view. Markups are stored with the model and can be viewed by other members of your design community using SOLIDWORKS on any workstation, touch-enabled or not. At any time, you can add even more clarity to your notes by mixing styles. Changing pen color and thickness can be a great way to emphasize or highlight key areas in comments. When finished, the markup view is automatically captured and stored in the Markups folder, and if required, given a name to signify its purpose. Markups stored with the model can be exported in a variety of industry-standard image formats or PDFs, ready to be shared with other stakeholders outside of your SOLIDWORKS design community. 3D Markup in SOLIDWORKS 2019 provides a fast and innovative approach to communicating your design ideas.